Okay guys, so it's all tacked up. Looks really pretty. I like it. So being that this bar right here goes to this bar, I need to build a bar from here to right here, so that this right here can be a mounting point for the thing here, so that when I winch, this here will help with added strength. In addition to that, I'm going to drill a hole right here straight through. Okay, so that's tomorrow. Tomorrow will be a fun day. Okay, YouTube, so it's Saturday morning, and I've gotten up early this morning and did some more tweaking to the bumper. I fabricated mounting points for it here, and also here. Okay, so I've sent my son to do errands for me, and he's gonna go, well, he's on his way to buy bolts. We're gonna buy a 6-inch bolt, and I'm gonna drill a hole through here onto the other side over here, and we're gonna bolt this in, tighten it. To me, more is good. The reason is because we're gonna mount a 12,000-pound winch here, and we need all the strength and support that we can. So now I am gonna make a D-ring mount. It's gonna be made out of 3/4 inch thick mild steel here, A36 steel. Basically, this is sort of like it's not really the template, but this is a similar size to it. This is gonna be like that. Okay, so I'm gonna be welding it onto this plate right here like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna mount a gusset right here for added support, because you never know when you're towing if it's gonna go this way or it's gonna go that way. So a little bit more added support here will go a long way. Okay, so that's how it is. I'll show you how it looks like afterward. Okay, YouTube, so this is what's going on. I fabricated the shackles here, burned it in. Okay, really nice. And this is a 3/4 of an inch plate, 7/18 or 7/8 bolt hole for the D-ring shackle. And here it is. I'm thinking that's how I'm going to mount this thing. I found out that this thing right here, when I mount it, it's a little bit too low, so I cut this thing off and then made a platform. I don't want the rope to be rubbing here, because you know how it is, rope is not good at rubbing. So this is actually a little bit higher than this, so that's pretty good. Either that, or I'm thinking about doing it like this. So we'll see what happens. I'm kind of like apprehensive about putting it like this. The reason is because, okay, so what if the rope is like that, all right, traveling down from here on an angle downward? So it'll rub here very badly, and it'll fray. So what I'm thinking is, maybe I'll set this on this side, right, this. Okay, and so that's that. So again, shackle for the D-ring, it's been burnt into, so it looks kind of crappy right now, but once I paint it, it'll look really nice. Here, that's how it looks like, mocking my winch. Okay, into it. I'm having a lot of fun. The reason is because this is actually a fun build, but the problem is it's time. Time is the enemy. Wish I could put time in a bottle. So this part right here, I'm thinking about just leaving it open like that. I don't think I'll put an end cap like this onto it. I just leave it open. here as well. I'm gonna leave this open as well. So yeah, I'm having a lot of fun doing this, and I hope that my work will help you come up with ideas on your build as well. So if you like my show, please like and subscribe. That way it'll encourage me to do some more projects on my truck. So guys, oh, here, I made the holes here larger. Okay, drilled these holes so that it's larger. What I'm finding is that it's pretty hard to push this into here, being that it's just a precise hole here. So I need it a little bit larger so that it can go in smoothly. Yeah. Oh, here it looks kind of cruddy. That's because it's so close to here. I can't put a drill through here, so I burn it with my plasma cutter, and so here as well. But on this side, I use the plasma cutter as well. It's all right. So that's what it is. So I'm gambling on the fact that this here will help with the strength of my bumper when I'm winching. Okay, so as you can see, here's another mount, and here's another mount, here's another mount. So 1, 2, 3 mount on each side. Hopefully that will take care of any stress. Or I've seen horror stories on YouTube where the truck is stuck, and they would put a D-ring shackle onto it, and then the guy would snatch it using a snatch rope. And when they do that, the bumper goes boing, and that's not what I want. I want it to go. I want the whole vehicle to go forward, not the bumper. So yeah, that's what it is, guys. All right, it's 10 o'clock right now, and came home a little bit late today. Started working late, so tomorrow after work I'll work on this some more. That's it.